Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to check your orders on Wayfair in 2025. If you recently bought furniture or home items and want to see where your delivery is, I'll show you how to track everything step by step. First, open your web browser or the Wayfair app on your phone. If you're not signed in yet, tap sign in and enter your email and password. Once you're logged in, go to the account section. It's usually the profile icon at the top right. From the menu, tap or click My Orders. Now see a list of your recent purchases. Find the order you want to track, then tap Track Package or View Order Details. Here you can check your delivery status, estimated arrival date, and tracking number. If your order has multiple items, each one may have its own tracking link. And that's how to check your orders on Wayfair in 2025. If this helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more short tutorials. See you in the next one.